Max Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back. Today we got us our EARTHROAMER. This is a 2022 model. So we're in 22, this is a 2022 model. I also have a video of a 2023 model so you can compare them. All you have to do is smash that subscribe button right there in the corner. Join the tribe, you'll never miss any of the action. Let's get into it. $750 4x4, probably about $1 million. Beast of an engine. Six-speed automatic. 250 gallons, guys. You can go boondocking, dry camping, no worries at all. 125-gallon gray, black tanks, plus 20,000 watt hours, beautiful LEDs. I love the U-shaped dinette. That probably doubles as a queen bed. Beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. $2 million. Would you buy it? Let me know below. It's beautiful. But is it worth $2 million? Every little detail, guys, is spot on. I'm not saying that it's not. I'm just saying, is it worth $2 million? Right beside the bed? Brush your teeth, roll over. I love the windows and I love the skylight in the beds. One of my favorite features. This looks like an awesome movie spot, like that dinette. And then below is your cab. What you think about the color? Too dark? You like it? You love it? You hate it? Washer and dryer. Okay. I better get that for $2 million, right? All right, guys, is it worth it? $2 million, you let me know down in the comments. This is a 2022 model. I have a 2023 video that's going to be posted as well. You can compare them. They look very similar, but there's some amazing details that the 23 model has. I'll tell you that now. Check it out.